Hello everyone, so welcome to this video. So today we will discuss on the power of mentoring and how you can get a mentor for yourself. So a mentor is a valuable resource for any business owner or an entrepreneur. So in this video we will discuss on the benefits of having a mentor and how you can get the right one for you. So let's first discuss about the benefits of having a mentor. So a mentor can provide you with guidance and advice based on their experiences on what they have faced. They can also help you identify and overcome the obstacles which they have already gone through. So a mentor can help you grow your network, and they can also help you in building good connections, maybe with a potential partners or maybe with potential investors. And don't forget that a mentor can also help you build your skills. So now let me tell you how you can find a mentor for yourself. So at first you need to decide what goals do you have, what do you want to achieve by having a mentor. So you need to look for mentors within your industry or within your niche. So for this you can attend networking events, or else you can approach someone whom you really admire. So nowadays there are many mentors who used to teach their students by giving them a coaching service. Okay, so you need to find those mentors and then you can invest in them and then you can learn whatever they are teaching. So you can also use social media platforms, especially LinkedIn, where you can build a good connections with your potential mentors. And lastly, if you have any mentor, always try to get some referrals of different mentors from them. So now let me tell you how you can approach these mentors. So first of all, you need to do your own research on the potential mentors. You need to check their background and experience. And then after doing the research, you need to draft an email or a message stating why you want a mentorship from them and what you can offer them in return. And also you need to be very clear about the commitment, especially the time commitment that you can give to your mentor. And lastly, you can follow up with them by being persistent, and you also need to respect their time. So how to make the most of your mentorship? So you need to set goals and expectations from your mentor from the beginning of the mentorship. You need to be open to get a feedback or advice from your mentors. So use this mentorship as an opportunity which can help you build your skills and which can also help you build your knowledge. And please remember that you need to communicate effectively with your mentor. You need to give them updates on the progress that you're making. And lastly, you have to show some gratitude and appreciation for the time which they are putting into you. So in conclusion, having a mentor is game changing, even if you are a business owner or an entrepreneur. It can provide you with invaluable guidance which can help you reach your goal faster. So remember to define your goals, do your own research about the mentors with a precise message. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. So let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this video. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to my channel for future content like this.